The digital marketing world is constantly changing, and right now, with the advent of artificial intelligence, it's really important to stay ahead of the game and learn about the best new tools and strategies that are available for us marketers. So in this video, we are going to be talking about the top sources of information and basically news sources about digital marketing that you can peruse at your leisure to be constantly updated about the newest changes in the world of digital marketing. So let's just dive in, and I'm going to show you exactly what news sources are the best and also how to absorb that information so that you are always informed about the newest happenings in the world of digital marketing. All right, let's rock and roll. So the top tool I have been using for aggregating information about digital marketing is called Feedly. It's a free tool. You can just go to feedly.com and set up your account. You can just log in with Google. And let me just show you the magic here. So basically you can create various feeds of information about different topics. So for example, here you can see that I have a feed about digital marketing and AI, health, science, education, but also business, finance, and technology. Okay, so how does it work? So first off, you would just follow sources. So once you log in, you don't have any of these sources over here. So then you would just click on follow sources. And let's say that you want to learn something about marketing. So you can see that you have these different feeds over here. And for example, we want to follow the Marketing Insider group. Okay, and then you basically see which kind of feeds are available. You can see how many followers they have and how many articles on average they release per week. So then you basically just click on follow once you, let's say, want to follow Inbound Marketing Blog. Then you would just click on follow, and then you just add it to your specific folder. And then this tool is going to just aggregate all of the content coming not only from this website, but all of the websites that you put into that specific folder. So you don't have to check 20 or 30 different blogs, or news websites. You can basically just go to your folder, and then you have this full feed and get content from all of these different websites in a single spot. Okay, so which websites am I following to stay informed about digital marketing? So for sure, Backlinko, CMS Wire, Content Marketing Institute. Just feel free to even pause this video and just you can add these news sources to your feed if you want. Okay, so Content Marketing Institute, Convince and Convert, Copyblogger, Duct Tape Marketing, HubSpot, Internet Marketing Blog by WordStream. This one is really great, actually. Marketing Insight Group, Marketing Tech News, Martech Zone, Moz, Neil Patel, Niche Pursuits, Search Engine Journal, Search Engine Roundtable, Buffer Resources, Digital Marketer, Marketing AI Institute, Marketing Profs, Quicksprout, Search Engine Land, Search Engine Watch, SEMrush, Smart Insights, Social Media Examiner, Think with Google, and Unbounce Blog. Okay, so you can just add your favorite websites over here, and then once the new articles come out, you can they will just start appearing over here. So you can see, for example, we can just hide this sidebar over here, and you have this full feed ranked from the most popular articles. So for example, you have something here from the Search Engine Journal. Search marketing generalists versus specialists, right? You can see how basically far into the past you can just see when the article came out. You also have these trends over here. So these will be highlighted in green. And also you can see how many shares did this article get so that you can assess if it's worth your while to read it. Basically, articles that really make a splash usually have more shares, so that you, when scrolling through that list, you can see that, for example, this one has over 100 shares, this one has over 400 shares. So, for example, WordPress releases a performance plugin for near instant load times. Okay, so then how do you go through this list? Basically, you can change the layout here. You can choose the title-only view. That's my favorite one, because then in just a couple of minutes, you can read through all of these headlines and really stay informed about what's going on in digital marketing. But you can also change it to magazine view. So then it will also pull a little bit more of the description or maybe the beginning of the article, as well as some of the featured images, or like the main featured image from that article. So this is really great. You also can choose the cards view just to have this kind of larger layout. The only thing is that sometimes it doesn't pull that featured image from the article, but I think it's more visually appealing for sure. And then you also can choose the article view, so it will just pull basically the whole article. But this is not really the best view for this use case. So then you would just check or change the layout. And what's next? Let's say that you want to read this article. So then you just click on it, and usually you will just have this little snippet over here. So basically you can already know what's going on, but you can just click on visit website to go to basically this exact article, and you can just read it over here, which is great. Okay, and then once we clicked on it, you can see that now it's kind of grayed out, so you can see which articles we have checked, and sometimes you'll see that it will pull the whole article, but usually it will just give you like this kind of basic overview, and you can just click through. For example, if we just click with the middle click of our mouse, it will automatically just open this exact article. Okay, so then you just go one by one. The great thing here is that you can also save articles to a specific board. So for example, you can just go to create a board about digital marketing. And if you don't have time to read all of these articles or even any of the articles, but you just want to collect them, you can just add them to that specific board. And then you have this read later board, or basically digital marketing board, where you have all of your saved articles. Okay, so the best way to do it is to just, for example, if you want to stay informed, is to just create a time block in your calendar where you are going to specifically go through all of these articles that you have saved. And how to do it in the best way. So I have found that just using AI to read these articles out loud is really great, and using the reader mode is also great. So I'm using a Microsoft Edge as a browser because it really requires less processing power on Mac compared to Google Chrome. And it also has some really cool options, for example, like the Copilot and all of these goodies. But in terms of just collecting information, for example, we want to check 3 strategies for successful customer onboarding compliance. So then you would just go to that article, and usually maybe the layout is not always perfect in these different websites. So then you have this reader mode. So on Edge, it's just the function key and F9. And then you have this perfect kind of reader mode. So this is really great. And you also have the read aloud option. So then you can just click on read aloud.
3 strategies for successful customer onboarding compliance. The gist. Balance CX and compliance. Striking a balance between customer experience and regulatory compliance is crucial for smooth customer onboarding and maintaining relationships.
Okay, so then basically you can just read through this whole article like this very quickly, basically through the whole series. Let's say we go to this one here, you can see that you always have these pop-ups and all of these things. So right now, I don't know, maybe on some website it's not really working. Let's check this one. Oh, so here it's working perfectly fine. Okay, but even if the reader mode doesn't really work exactly as you would expect, you also have this really great option of just right-clicking here and read aloud from here.
Companies always look for effective ways to promote their brand, delight customers, reward employees, and engage prospects. Branded gift cards offer a versatile solution.
I have found that it's really much easier to read it like this, to basically keep your attention on the article and not just click around. And here you also have this voice options, so you can just choose the speed. I always choose the fastest one, and you can also choose the voice. So in this way, you can just go through this whole succession of digital marketing news sources very fast, okay? So that's really great. And you also have the mobile app for Feedly, which is really useful. And for example, if you are using Android, you can just open these articles on your Android phone and then use the voice assistant and say, read aloud. And it will just basically do the same thing for you, like read the whole article just for you. So that's like the basic overview of the top news sources about the digital marketing. You also have a variety of podcasts and YouTube channels that are worth checking out. But if you just do this even for 1 or 2 hours per week, you'll be one of the most informed people in the world of digital marketing. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to get more content about digital marketing, AI tools, and really great marketing strategies that you can deploy. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.